In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Android phone to the latest version. We will walk through the simple, official way to update using your phone's built-in settings. And I will share helpful context so the process feels smooth and predictable. Before you begin, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. System updates can be quite large, and Wi-Fi is usually faster and more reliable than mobile data. Next, make sure your battery is at least 50 to 75% charged. Or keep your phone plugged into a charger the entire time. Updates can take a while, and you don't want your phone to power off mid-installation. Finally, ensure you have enough free storage for the download and install. If space is tight, consider clearing out a few large videos or removing apps you no longer use, so the update can complete without errors. Now, open the Settings app on your phone. It's the gear-shaped icon, usually found on your home screen or app drawer. The exact path to the update screen can vary a little by device. On most Android phones, you'll go to System, then tap Software Update or System Update. On some older devices, you might find it under About Phone, then Software Update. If you are using a Samsung device, look for Software Update directly on the main settings menu without diving into other sections. Once you've found the update screen, tap Check for updates or download and install. Your phone will contact the update server and let you know whether a new version is available. If you see a message that you are up to date, that's normal. Updates often roll out in stages by region, model, or carrier. You can check again later if needed. If an update is available, follow the on-face screen prompts to download it. You can usually keep using your phone while it downloads. When the download finishes, tap Install Now or Restart depending on what your device shows. Your phone will restart and begin installing the update. During this time, avoid pressing buttons or forcing a shutdown. Keeping your phone on Wi-Fi and power helps ensure everything completes smoothly. After the restart, your phone may say it's optimizing apps. This is expected and can take a few minutes. When you return to your home screen, you are all set. You might notice design tweaks, security improvements, or performance enhancements. That's it. Thanks for watching.